Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I will show you exactly how to show calendar in Windows 10 and guide you step by step to easily access and use it. Step 1. Click on the date and time area located at the bottom right corner of your taskbar. This area shows your current time and date, and clicking here will open the calendar quickly, which is very useful for checking dates or planning your schedule. Step 2. Once you click, the calendar will automatically pop up above the taskbar. This pop-up gives you an instant view of the current month and helps you navigate through your days without opening any extra apps. Step 3. If you want a larger calendar view, click on the small arrow or the expand option at the top of the pop-up. Expanding the calendar lets you see the full month or upcoming events more clearly. Step 4. You can switch between month and year view by clicking on the month name at the top of the calendar. This allows you to quickly jump to a different month or year, which is very handy for planning ahead. Step 5. To close the calendar, simply click anywhere outside the pop-up or press the Escape key. This will hide the calendar so your screen stays clean, but you can always open it again instantly using the same steps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.